How to fix Roblox error 524. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox and log into your account. Then click on Settings at the top right, and then click on Settings. In here, click on Account Info on the left side and scroll down. After that, make sure your email and age is verified. After you have done that, on the left side again scroll and you'll find Privacy and Content Restrictions. Click on it and click on Communication. Click on Experience Chat and make sure it's everyone in both of the option. Go to Party. Do the same thing as friends or either everyone. Click on Camera Input and then make sure you do everything in that way. You can go to Visibility and do the same thing, add it to everyone. After you have done that in everything, you're good to go. This is how to fix Roblox error 524. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.